Namaskar, my dear friends. I'm Kavita. I welcome you episode of Be a Master. You mentioned you have a kids, so tell me something about your children. Yeah.
First, I had a daughter, then one son. When she was in when I was carrying her, we went Urakonda Pyramid. Urakonda Pyramid is near Guntakal, my maternal home. Within half an hour distance, it is there. That time only two pyramids were there. First one in Karnool and second one in Urakonda. In Urakonda, Maunadhyanam was happening, so we went there. When we finished our stay there, and we have to return that day only to Guntakal. Patrisa was going to Ballari on that way. We even don't know that also. Sar stayed on the road. He stopped the vehicle there and he sent two members. One mother and daughter is there inside. My mother and I myself went there. He said that my mother and daughter is there. One mother and daughter is there. You go and call them to come to Ballari. So we went with Patrisa to Ballari, and I have sat beside Patrisa. It was totally jam packed, that vehicle was, and my mother, she quarreled all the way with Patrisa. So after going to Ballari, sir invited my mom to say something. So she told that after coming there, I will call you on the stage. Then my mom told that I will come on the stage, but if you scold me there, then I will not be quiet. If that is okay for you, then I will come. She was telling like that. So Patrisa said, okay, I will not say anything. And then he really called my mom on the stage, and she did a nice talk there. And Patrisa, he accompanied someone, and he made us to return with he arranged vehicle, everything he did.
That is
and
his
that
greatness,
night,
of course. Yeah. He take care of everyone.
Yeah.
Whether you have taken your food, you have a proper rest, you have place to stay.
Yes, yes.
So he's so loving and caring for each and every masters.
Because of meditation, there were no complications in the pregnancy, and she was called pyramid baby because pyramids start this hanging pyramids, cap pyramids, everything started in Guntakal only. So first pyramid they have built, it came to me because of that girl. So every time we used to make her to sleep under that pyramid only. She used to laugh, she used to play with the pyramid. So she was called pyramid baby. And at the age of 5, she got some allergy problems, but it was completely cured again because of meditation only. She was completely came to learn that everything is possible because of meditation.
At what age she understood that?
At the age of 5, at the age of 3, she got that allergy problem, and at the age of 5, I made her to do meditation herself. 2 years she suffered a lot, but when she did meditation just for 1 month regularly, she completely come out of that, and she was completely able to cure, get out of that allergy, all that. And now she is she finished her BTech. Now she is doing her another degree in interior designing in Hyderabad itself. According to doctors, they said that until 16 years she has to completely follow the diet. She has that resistance only, then also she can maintain a proper health. But because of meditation, there was no diet at all. She used to have everything. She enjoyed everything. And Patrisa likes her also very much. She also used to fight with Patrisa. She very nicely talks with Patrisa. I hesitate to talk, but she talks very nicely with Patrisa. And my son also, he also brought up in meditation environment only. And when they were kids, when they finished meditation, when they finished their homework, I used to make them to sit in meditation, and I used to read Dhyana Jagat magazine concepts, all that. So whatever mentioned in that concepts, they used to go astrally and see all that. One time I read about Egyptian pyramid article. So they went there, they saw that pyramid, they saw that phoenix, and after coming out of meditation, they showed the pictures wherever they went, all that. So that was the accuracy also. They even went to energy grids, saw that mechanism. They went so many places, and Ganesha was a best friend to my son. he used to go and do the astral travels with Ganesha. So very wonderful experiences are
So
there.
you have all masters in home only.
Yeah, that's true.
Thing you have mentioned about your daughter.
Skin issues. I got skin issues during my pregnancy. So because of that, she got
yeah.
allergy.
Kids, they don't even understand that what exactly is, and that time you make her to do meditation and she cured herself.
Yes.
That's really wonderful.
Really, those two kids are really masters. Whenever I was low, whenever I was in in conditions which I was very low in the sense, they used to give the motivation. They used to inspire me. They used to give the confidence to me. So that was the thing. They used to see the right path. So they used to guide me.
I heard so many things about you that you are doing such a great service to mankind for meditation. One of your friends, she also mentioned that whenever you get an invitation for meditation, you never even check the address, you just go like that.
Yes, yes.
So how you do, how you manage all these things?
Yeah, they used to invite us to take the classes in different places. So when they call us, we used to just check our dates. Am I free on that date or not? That's it. And after confirming everything, then we used to search about the place. How much distance is there? How we had to go? But it was there was complete confidence. There is no fear, nothing. It is a new place. How I have to go? Nothing was like that. Nothing was there. So we used to change train, change bus also sometimes.
So do you have full support from your family?
Because of that only I can do all these things. No? So they also used to receive like that only. They used to give us so much respect, love. So it was just like going and meeting a family and coming back. And like that it was there. And when we used to travel, we used to think just like that. I will travel a nice journey. Now I will have a nice journey. Everything will be very perfectly nice and comfortable. So in the same way, everything will be perfectly nice and everything will be comfortable. We used to have every time for ourselves a seat, and we used to journey nicely. So that will be the case. And they used to receive like that also.
And I think you are a main pillar of light worker group. So what you are doing in that? Which kind of service you do there?
In one summer season, there was no so many classes were not there. So because there are not many classes, I think that there is no work for me. So I started doing audios. I started a book and started giving audios for my own group and one more group. So there Ranjit sir, he called me and he asked me to give the audios. So I joined Lightworkers and I started posting the audios also. And after posting my audios, he asked whether I can continue by posting other audios or other information, all that. I said okay. Like that I started doing in Lightworkers. 2 years I completely did in Lightworkers. And in third period, in the time of Corona, one day we did a digital class. So in the same time, sir also called me. He asked, what are you doing? So I told that now I am organizing a class. Naidu Peta sir, Raghavendra sir is taking the class. So we were organizing that. So he told that, ma'am, if you join me, I also want to start a group. So I said, okay sir, what's there? What's there, anything like that? So from that day, he started Lightworkers Zoom sessions, and right from that day, I was there every time with sir. And right from that day, we started doing all that sessions. We used to host it. So first I was like a co-host. We were learning. Everyone was learning that time. Even Ranjit sir also. It was new thing for us. So we were learning, and after we got used to it, I used to host the afternoon sessions, and in that way now I am completely recognized by so many people as Lightworkers. In the name of Lightworkers only, now I am recognized. by so many people, and so many, they are giving so much love to us, so much affection. When we met in Dhyana Mahachakram, so many they recognized, they are thinking me like their family member. Every day I am seeing, no. So they're thinking me like their family member itself. So that was very wonderful.
So how many people are connected with Lightworker group?
Groups only 80 groups are there.
80 groups.
Yeah, WhatsApp groups only 80 groups are there. Now around 1 lakh subscribers are there. So every class they used to get in thousands only. The views are in thousands only.
Wow, wow, wow.
So whatever message we share there, it goes to a vast number of people.
Which kind of activities you conduct in that session? What exactly you teach there?
In Lightworkers, I just host the session. I introduce like yourself. I am an anchor in that session, and after other than that, I also take classes in different sessions. We have done so many workshops, and even I have given classes in Hindi and English also. In Telugu also, I did classes in so many different Zoom sessions, and in PMC also with Premnath sir, we did a Premamrutam episodes, so many Premamrutam episodes, and there also I hosted the sessions.
What is that Premamrutam episode?
Premamrutam episode, in that Premnath sir, senior pyramid master, Brahmarshi Premnath sir, he is from Bangalore. So a few members will be there, and we used to ask questions him about a topic, and he will elaborately explain the topic. So whatever we post the question, he gives the answer. So many members, they are joining in this lockdown period. They are joining, but they are not getting some answers, and they don't know who to question. So this helped a lot. So when we start meditation, how our body will react, how our thoughts will be there, how should we react, and after knowing the answer, how should we question ourselves, how should we gain the message, and how should we practice it. Everything, each and everything, different topics. We did so many episodes, and there was a huge response to it also.
So ma'am, as you shared that one mega pyramid is coming in your hometown, can you please throw some light on it?
Yeah. When we did Seth workshop, there we got the intuition to build a mega pyramid. So we were ready to build a mega pyramid, and we were thinking of how to get the place. So for the place accumulation also, we got a message, and we did according to it, and we show the place to Patrisa. We got 1 acre of place, and when we showed it to Patrisa, so he asked how much place is there and how much in which size we can build. So we asked his choice only. So then sir told us to build a 108 by 108 size mega pyramid in our area up till now, and he chose the name also, Sri Vasavi Kanyaka Parameshwari Pyramid Dhyana Mahakshetram. So that was the name. Yes, and he told us to build a ground pyramid, and 3 chambers of three king chambers. One is queen chamber, king chamber, and emperor chamber. So sir asked us to do like that, and we are working on that, and we finished some major part. Now first it was only 1 acre. Now we got 2.5 acre land there, and we finished the basement work. We finished, and the structure also given to the fabricators, and within a few days we will be getting the structure. And Patri sir also promised to give 7 days for Dasra celebrations there after completion of that pyramid. And in this pyramid journey, after giving that work only, we started doing group meditations. We started doing night outs. We started doing night outs with all the main team members in my house. So many masters used to come, they used to guide us, and so many processes were going on. And after that we did DNA class also in Produttur. So before the DNA class, we did 5 night outs in different pyramids. So each and every master, they used to connect with us. So they used to give so many messages. So that was a complete different, that class was completely different. We were totally getting that energy, that motivation. After finishing the class, Hari Krishna sir and Swarnalata madam did that class in our place. So after finishing the class, Hari Krishna sir told that a portal was opened there. So that were the energies. And there in the pyramid place also, already astrally the pyramid is completed, and only we have to manifest it in the physical form, and the work is going on. And recently in November, last time November 11th, last year November 11th, a message was given to us when we sat in a group meditation, that higher world master, they told us to do meditation for 7 to 8. They are coming there and they are doing the work there for 40 days. So we went there, we joined with masters, and first day when we started from our place to go there, there was like the rain was there lightly. So we tell okay, no problem. Then again we started, and when we gone and when we saw there, a complete double rainbow was there above the pyramid. That was real wonderful. Come, they are welcoming us. They are giving the complete rainbow energies. Before that, only one ma'am, it came in her message, in her meditation, that the place is completely filled with rainbow energies. The same thing was seen to us. So that was really wonderful. So many experiences regarding this pyramid. Whatever sir used to say us, we used to experiment everything. There was no water when we took that place. There was no water. It is only based on rains only. But when we sat in meditation, and when we asked about this water, then the masters gave us message to have a bore. So when we started doing that bore, everyone in that place, they told that no, there is no water here at all. We did so many times, we dug so many times, but there was no water at all. But we had water, and everyone was surprised. How did you got that? So only because of masters, and because whatever our intuition will be coming, maybe it may be like a foolish things, but when we observe it, and when we follow it, when we trust it, the results is completely miraculous. So we are experiencing daily because of this pyramid work only. So many masters, we can have the classes, interactions, that energies. Really, pyramid work is really wonderful.
Thank you for pillar of this construction.
I am very much happy. I am very much glad to have that gift. Everything in this society, whatever work it is really wonderful, and every work is an eye opener.
Definitely.
Yeah. So whatever work given in this society, that is really wonderful thing. It is really a gift to us to change ourselves and to have all the miraculous gifts they want to give us. This is the way. I think that.
So, would you like to share any message for our viewers?
What they say, ma'am, whatever we do, the results will be absolutely coming. So when we do the right things will be given to us. So that's the only thing I did first, and everything, whatever the right fruit it has to come, it came to me. And whenever I was ready to gain the knowledge, they say, no, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. So I just prepared myself, and so many times it came to in my life like that. When I was ready, one master used to come, he used to give the knowledge, or one session like that, it was appearing. So everything what we have today is we have to transform ourselves. Nothing is there we can change outside. So everything, whatever change we need, when we change ourselves, when we transform ourselves, everything will be completely changed outside also. So this was my personal experience, and even today I truly believe it, and I say to everyone this one also.
You have shared a beautiful key message that first change yourself, first you go within. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for this wonderful session with us. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Kavita ji. Thank you very much for giving such a wonderful opportunity so that I can share all this miracles with you, all these gifts with you. Thank you very much. And yes, I thank Patri sir also for this wonderful thing. Thank you.